Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when it says Steam failed to initialize. Please make sure the Steam client is running. So when you, for an example, launch a game like GTA 5, it's always looking for the Steam application. So if it doesn't find the Steam application correctly, you're going to be getting that error. But there is a workaround that you can do. So all you need to do is locate, this is common on games such as GTA 5. So you just need to locate your GTA 5. It's normally Windows C program files, Rockstar Games, and then Grand Theft Auto. You can see there's the application file that I have right here. This isn't fully installed, but if you did, if it was installed, you'll be able to see that you get alternative launch links like here, GTA 5 Enhanced and GTA 5 Enhanced _BE. Clicking on one of these ones will actually load up the game correctly and it won't give you that error message. So just look for the alternative launch file and click on that directly. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.